My friends, this week we were talking about what?
Opposites.
Opposites. Good job, my friends. And today, what do we have? We have show and tell. Good job. We have a lot of things in here. My friends got some stuff, and we have also some materials to show you guys. Okay, let's start with this one. What is the name of this word?
Brown stairs.
Brown stairs. Can you see what is the difference between these two brown stairs? Big and small. Also here we have another one. This is the knobless cylinders. Let's see, what is this one? The difference between this one and this one. What is the opposite? Tall, short. Good job. Okay, what about these two knob cylinders? Look, it's the same height, but what is the difference between them? Thick and no, thick and thin. Thick and thin. Good job. Okay, what about this? What is this word we call it? What is the name of this word?
Pink.